Multiplication modulo n. To multiply modulo n, simplify the two numbers and then reduce the result modulo n. Formula: a times b close parenthesis mod n equals a mod n close parenthesis and write the last mod n. Example: 4 times 6 close parenthesis, write the mod 7. 4 times 6 equals 24. Write the mod 7 to divide 24 mod 7 equals, the remainder is 3 because 24 divided by 7. The remainder is 3. Next example: 5 times 8 close parenthesis, write mod 9 equals 5 times 8 equals 40. Write the mod 9. The remainder is 40 divided by mod 9 equals 4 because 40 divided by 9 equals 4. That's its answer.